You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from German, the name of this famous German composer. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. Händel, German pronunciation here. Yes, I've got more videos of composers that many get wrong. Händel is the German pronunciation here. Händel, in English it's similarly pronounced as Handel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.